Context windows are getting bigger and bigger, so you can just throw all your data into the prompt, right? Not quite. I'm Sahana, an ex-Pinterest engineer, now leading a team that's building AI-first products. And this is my series on building with AI so you don't get left behind, episode 3. Today we're talking about when large context windows break down. Context windows are the amount of data that you can send with a single LLM prompt. They've been getting larger and larger, so people have been really excited about being able to send more and more data to the LLM for a single call. So when does throwing all your data into a context window not work? First, the reality is these models are not going to read a 200-page prompt with the same amount of focus and attention as a short one. As the context size grows, important details get missed. You might fit everything in, but the model's not going to use everything. And the thing is, you can't count on the model to figure out what's important. If you have a ton of contradicting rules or 100 examples, it's going to get confused. The model starts averaging out some of these contradictions and ultimately is not very performant and not very accurate. Trust me, these weird inconsistencies end up becoming so hard to debug. Also, if your product is one where the data changes very often, then you're going to end up building these gigantic prompts at a really high frequency. That's going to get expensive very fast. So yes, a big context window is awesome, but not for every product. So how do you solve for this? More on that in episode 4. Hit follow so you don't miss it.